Hi, I'm Dan from Jamjargin, and we're going to make right now a classic 5-to-1 dry martini with bloody marvellous Jamjargin. So, get yourself a stirring glass, some bloody marvellous Jamjargin. We're going to put 50 ml of that into the stirring glass. Oops. And because it's a 5-to-1 mix, we're going to put 10 ml then of vermouth just into the mixing glass too. And really simple, put plenty of ice in there. Stirring spoon, stir it down. Get it really nice and cold. Oops, didn't see that. Benefits of countryside cocktails. Get that really nice and cold. Find yourself a wonderful glass like that one, and just pop the hawthorn strainer on. We're just going to fine strain the martini into the glass. Fantastic. And if you like, you can put a little bit of lemon peel in there, but to be honest, it's bloody marvellous just as it is. Cheers.